Hi, I'm Jane Larsson, Executive Director of the Council of International Schools, and I'm here today to tell you about our child protection workshops. We've been running them for 3 years and have reached over 1,300 educators in 80 countries to help them learn about the risks and realities of strengthening child protection practices in international school communities. In fact, any school that serves a diverse community. We've learned so much from experts across different professions, from law enforcement and the medical community, and we've assembled a team who can share with you why we need to pay attention to this challenge. People have approached me who have attended the workshop saying that their perspective has fundamentally shifted from before they attended a workshop until after they attended a workshop, because we focused in on the causes of practices of people who would abuse children, so that people recognize the signs more readily and are able to take action because they've educated themselves about what to look for. So we hope that these workshops will help you look at your responsibility to keep children safe in a new way, and that it will result in meaningful differences in your practices. The range of topics we cover at the workshops is broad. We start again with the causes and why someone would even want to abuse a child, so that you can understand the origins of the behavior, and then we move right away into very practical aspects of policies and procedures, recruiting practices, how to talk to parents from diverse cultural backgrounds about addressing abuse. Then we've now included topics like peer-on-peer abuse and also digital safety. So as you can see, there's a lot to learn. We've posted the dates and locations of all of our workshops on our website, so you can certainly learn more about the opportunities to improve your knowledge and deepen your own understanding. And we hope to see you at a workshop in the coming year.